Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy, Okemutefole NS. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your PHP version through your CPANEL area. Alright, so you might want to ask me what's that and why do I need to do that? Why do you need to know how to do that as a website developer? Now, the essence of you increasing your PHP version is so that your website can load faster. And your website loading faster simply means it's going to be a good user experience for your site visitors and also a good SEO signal. Alright, so you might want to know how to do it all by yourself. So I'm going to show you how to do that right away from your CPANEL area. Now, just before I show you how to do that, I would love you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video so that YouTube will get to more person. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So let's hop in and see how we are going to achieve that. So right now, I'm just going to log into my own CPANEL, and this is my CPANEL. And when I come here, I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I find PHP version. Alright, so keep scrolling down until you get to see that PHP version. So it's somewhere right here. Okay, so you can see PHP version just after you see your setup nodes JS app. Alright, so I just click on set PHP version. So the same way they actually update WordPress, like from, the first time when WordPress started out, it was actually at 2 point something, and currently we have 6.1 something. Alright, so that's the essence of all this. It makes your website to have access to new features, loading effects, and all that. So right here, you can see my current PHP version. So when you get here, you just need to select your PHP version here. Okay, so click here so you get to see the latest. So you see the current one is 8.2, and that's what I'm using at the moment. Alright, so if your website is not using 8.2, all you need to do is to click on this 8.2 version depending on the time you're watching this video. Okay, so if at all you're watching this video maybe let's say months after you increase the PHP version to 8.5, 8.10, just like that, all you need to do is to come here and select the current version of PHP. Alright, so once you do that, automatically it's going to save your work. Alright, so you can see right here. Okay, so I've come here, I click on this 8.2 and it is done. Alright, automatically I already have it here. So that's how you increase your PHP version for your website, to increase your loading time and to also increase your speed. Okay, this will also help to create a user-friendly website, because nobody wants to visit a website that is not loading fast. Alright, so that's how you achieve that. Simple, right? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like these videos so that YouTube will get to more persons. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Alright, see you next time. Bye.